Hey guys, how you doing? Missed me? Alright, so in this video we're going to pierce my ears. My ears was pierced already, as you can see. The little holes were there, but they're closed up. Anyway, so we're gonna re-pierce them. Yay! She's ready. She's ready. Mentally, I don't know, but she's ready. We need the 16. There we go. You know. Because they're terrified in my head. They're like one of my regular customers where they're just like, does it hurt? Gee, motherfucker, you're putting a fucking needle in your skin. What do you think? You know? We're in quarantine. And I kind of want tattoos. Like, I want to mess everything back to normal, whatever the fuck normal was. So let's have some fun. Yes. Yes.
I've been calling you and texting you, but you said he ignoring. You running games on me, you did me wrong. I feel like I'm all alone, baby. And now you only trying to come back cause you broke me. Don't want you no more, leave me alone. I'm way better over you. I wanted you to hold me, but me and to show me different from me.
Alright, I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm trying to show y'all what I'm doing myself. Kinda hard. Garbage. The hard part is putting that bowl in. This is impossible with the gloves.
Always lying, I believed in you. I love you so much, I see the truth. I love you so much, I didn't know.
That's so unprofessional. So unprofessional. Estoy grabándome, pero sé que estoy diferentes ángulos. A ver, 1, 2, 3. Me va a doler un ching, pero
Tell them all get lost, they all thought I would stop. All that shit that y'all was talking, which I thought I forgot. Time after time, I let them get by. Stood to the side, I played a nice guy. Mind my business, work hard, still fly. I'm gifted, I be bringing good vibe. I can't understand all that fake shit bending.
I already have the mark, so it's easy for me.
I'm gonna do this one again.
Talk later, my plane just landed. I promise none of this was handed. I worked hard for my shit.
Now this is the transition.
You heard my mom too.
Oh wow.
She said she's reporting your page for stabbing me so
Hey, at least I'm not shaking my ass. Got it, bitch. Look at this. Like, okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one hurts to pull. Ah. G didn't need help. No.
You so she could have that and I can't have just one right here?
She's a woman. The whole family just came pull up. Like, what happened? You was saying something about the fam? Your mom not doing nothing because, hello, you piercing your ears. I'm like, my mom don't even care. Look mine. She got her ears pierced. And these are the final results. I pierced 2 and 2. Fun. Hope you guys enjoyed my pain, I guess. Yeah, peace.